Hi, and welcome to TierraMitica. Here we claim to have the most powerful, transformative, and life-changing workshops on Earth. Now, a lot of people ask us what we mean by this before they come and spend some time here, and it can be a little bit hard to explain. So we've put together some reviews from Argonauts who have done a mythic voyage, so they can share with you why they believe we are the best. Enjoy.
What Nikis does in the Mythic Voyage and then also in this Choice OS goes way beyond what any of those kind of workshops can offer.
I've been through a lot of different seminars and workshops and lots of different things, and this one was by far the most impactful and life-changing. Like, wow.
You go to workshops and you do 3, 4, 5 hours a day and you take a lecture and you go back and you jump in the pool, and this is 12, 13, 14, 15 hours a day of being confronted with your deepest fears, your deepest, exploring your deepest hopes and dreams and being forced to confront these things. And I don't know of anything in the world that is as powerful and effective.
It's really like a comprehensive experience about what life is about in every compartment of life. Whatever you think your life has a piece, you're going to work on it. It's going to be about everything. I cannot mention it. It's just family, work, emotion, cultural, anything you think is linked to living as a human. You will touch it, you will go deep, and you will solve it. It's complete.
This is not just one of those spiritual workshops that you do, and I've done many. This is totally different. It's a real tool for life. It's a real tool for understanding, for growing, for change.
You're just in a process of just undoing years and years and years of what you think you know, until your brain is just like completely shut off and totally jello, and you're just like, okay, I don't know anything, so help me out of it. And then Nikis just starts recreating it and rebuilding it, so you get to go down to nothing, like the caterpillar in the cocoon, just going down to that like one little last cell and then coming back out, and into this beautiful vision, where things just make more sense and there's more clarity, and you get to build a life that excites you and that you want to have and that makes sense, instead of just holding on to, well, that's that way because someone told me it was that way, it was really a full deconstruction and then a reconstruction for me.
Yeah, the whole workshop was one big gift, right? Every day there was something new that popped up that just resonated with you and made you feel more alive and more human. And for me, I feel like I can fucking do anything, absolutely anything in this world. Any task that comes up, I can conquer it. Any shitty situation that might arise, I have the tools to deal with it. And for me, that's exactly what I was looking for, was the tools and the direction to be able to take whatever life throws at you, because life happens and we don't know how to do it. And then I didn't know how to do it. And until I got to this place, it's really given me clarity on how to handle things.
It was a big exploring yourself, things you never knew about yourself, about your life. You think you know yourself so well. You've been with yourself your whole life and lived all these experiences, and then coming into this group energy and exploring with other people what's really happened in your life. There's a lot of clarity there where you can really see what's been going on in your life and how you react to certain situations, and you just come out. All the work that's done is the best education that you can give yourself.
He knows what you're hiding. He knows what you're afraid to confront, and he brings those out in true love and with such passion and compassion at the same time, wanting at the end result our happiness to be the final ending points.
the first thing that's valued here is happiness. And that just makes sense to me. You know, everything else seems to be a means towards happiness anyways. Why don't we just go directly for it?
I know that I'm going to leave here and I'm going to be so much better than I ever was.
You can't describe what happens here in 10 days. I've been depressed in varying levels all my life since I can little boy. And then major depression I just went through over the winter. I literally didn't get off the lazy boy for 6 weeks. Eat there, slept there, wouldn't shower, wouldn't do anything. Music sounded dull. Colors were more gray than anything. And now my soul drinks music. My feet dance uncontrollably, and I love it.
I know without a doubt that I have the tools to be happy and keep it for the rest of my life, however long or short that is.
Wow, if you enjoyed this TierraMitica review video, you can follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, or by subscribing to our YouTube channel. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you next time.